Good morning, everybody. We are standing in the women's room. And we are about to embark on an electrical project. And we're going to build some bathroom occupied lights, which are going to prevent us from walking all over the warehouse to arrive in this hallway, only to find that the restrooms are occupied. So this will save tons of time, wasted motion, all kinds of stuff. So I have done some research online and also consulted with two real electricians about how to do this. And we're gonna give it a go. Hopefully I don't end up in the hospital. If you're watching the video, either Aaron has completed it or I survived. We'll check back in. Alright, I'm back from Home Depot. And I believe we have all the materials that we will need to make our occupied light. So we're going to start by finding the box up in here, and pulling it down, and running the wires. Alright, so Pete is helping me. Rather, I'm helping Pete. And right now I'm stringing BX cable from in there to here over the rat's nest. Alright, so I'm cutting back some BX cable in here, which is running up into there. Pete is in the woman's room. And we're getting close to finished. Okay, check it out. So when the lights are on in the bathroom, morning, you cow.
Good morning, how are you, man?
Okay, so when the lights are on in the bathroom, these lights out here light up, and blue for the men's room, red for the women's room, and it's visible from almost every point. Alright, so I'm going to time how long it takes to get over to the bathroom and how many steps it is, and we can get a good idea of how much energy we're saving ourselves.